Everyone's doing great. My name is Hayat, and I'm working at Podcasting AI and Podcasting as a client success manager. So today we are going to discuss about how we can create content, specifically how we can create timestamps and transcriptions from the Podcasting AI website. The most important thing is that you should have an account in here. I'm sure if you're using our website, you already have an account. If you don't have an account, there is another video that we are going to tell you how you can create an account. Now let's go to the website. Depending on your internet, the how fast or quick things will run to the website. If your internet is fast, it will be like seconds. In a second, you can have whatever you need. But if it is a bit slow, then it will take more time. Okay, so once you entered to the website, you can see a bunch of things here and there, and here is your account name, and here is if the status active. It means if you have paid or not paid, or if it is free account, it will be clear in here. Now the most important thing is uploading a project. If you have uploaded an audio or a video file, then you will see that below. If no, then you have to do that. Now let's try by uploading a new file. I'm going to select this episode. It's episode 6 and it's 33 minutes and it's like 30 MBs. Let's click on this. Yes. So once you click on an audio or video file, you will see how long it takes and how many minutes it's going to take. The most important thing is that we have this bar which shows the progress, that it will help you to proceed with whatever you're doing. It's going to help you to see how long or how many minutes it's taking. So look, for example, here's 22%. You can see that you have to wait. It's not uploaded yet. The other thing I'm going to tell you guys that once your audio or video is uploaded, the name of your audio or video will be shown in here. So because you in the future will upload many files, we want to make sure that you know what file you're working on and to not mix or be confused about the files and the content that you're going to get from that. We also have this bar in here, or this button in here. It's not clickable, but it will also show that things are getting ready, and you have to, it's like a loading sort of thing that you would understand it easily. The other thing I want to let you guys know is these parts. If your account is new, for sure this place will be less, depending on how many files you have uploaded. It will show like how many files this website has already processed so far. Second, each file that you upload, the website is going to count how many words it has processed. If it was long video or audio format, then it is more. If it is less, but this is everything that you have uploaded. And in here, it's about the minutes. It's like how many minutes generally you have used this platform, like all those videos and audios that you have uploaded. That is going to show that how many minutes generally it took. Not generally how many minutes it took, but everything included how many minutes they were. And below, if you have more files, you will see in here that this different files have been added. This is the date and time which was added, and here you can have a summary of the file that you have, a summary in a document format. Depending on different projects, you can use like this project or this one. Like sometime later you want to come to one of your projects again, one of your videos or audios once again, and want to get some other content, then you can always do that. So the website is reliable and it will keep your information, keep your files, keep your content there. So anytime you need, you can come and take and use that. If you have many files, you can also go to the next ones to easily find it, like second, third. You can easily find it by going to the latest one by clicking here, or to any of these one. But if you remember how long ago you added the file. Okay. So as you can see, we have uploaded the file, the website has taken the file, and right now it's creating content in different parts of the website. As we are going to go deep later, but this part is important because if the content is not created, it's going to be failed. You have to upload it again, or otherwise you have to wait for longer time. You can see it says it's almost done. I highly recommend you guys to wait because if you click on any other thing right now, this file could be failed or you have to upload it again. Okay, so the file is uploaded. The website reload itself to show you that there has been some change, and then you can see that the file is added in here, the time and date as we have discussed about it, the name of the file, and now it's clicked. So always look at this part which shows and tells you the name of your file. Now, as we have discussed how we can create content, particularly how we can create transcripts and timestamps. First, you have to go to the text, click on that, and once you click that, you will see different parts of the content will be added. That means text, it means content, whatever sort of thing content you need, you will click on this part first. After you click that, you will see the option of transcribe. Click on transcribe, you can see two things, like you can separately create transcribe, like you can transcribe, you can have the transcript of everything that you have, and you can also create a timestamps. Now let's create transcriptions. In transcription, we have two options. The first one is generally taking every word which has been said in a direct format of not specifying who is the speaker and who is not the speaker and in what minutes the person said. This is in transcribe option. But if you want to transcribe with assembly AI, in here you will have an option to write the name of the speakers at different times that they have said something. Now let's give a try. Now we are trying the transcription, the general one. The content without saying at what seconds who said what. Some people need this one, but some other people need the other file. So you also have an option of to regenerate. Sometimes if you see that they have not given you, or if you feel that there are some mistakes, by regenerating, you can ask them to regenerate, and by regeneration, you're going to edit if there was some mistake with the content. But anyway, so generally, this is the transcribe option. But if you want to try this one, so let's give it a try to see how it's different. By the way, you also have an option to copy. It will copy everything, and if you click on this one, it will delete it. It will clean it. Yes. Okay, let's click on transcribe with assembly AI. Okay, as we have discussed, this option will also I will ask you to write the people's name. So for example, I say the first speaker was like Sarah, and the second one was Rafael, for example. Rafael. You can click on that. You will see that these things are written in here. As you can see that the name has been changed to Rafael and Sarah and at different seconds. So this is creating transcription. Now let's go to the timestamps. So when you click on timestamp, it will automatically start working on it. But you can directly go on summarize timestamps, or you can wait for this to finish, and then you can click on that. create it this way, but you can also go up and click on summarize timestamps or summarizing timestamps, and you can see this thing that it creates for you, but then it will automatically adjust itself. So for example, you see everything is written here. You can also, if you didn't like something or if you want to have some change, you can definitely regenerate. Or if you like whatever it is, you can completely copy this and post it wherever you want to post it. So when you click, it's already copied in your platform. You can also regenerate. Let's click on regeneration. You can see that it's going to bring some change in different wording, and it will also select different timestamps, and then you can click copy and it will be selected in your clipboard. So yeah, today guys, we just wanted to talk about how to create content and timestamps, transcribe, and how to transcribe and how to create timestamps. We will definitely talk about other parts